Are you liking? Making sense of likes and dislikes in present continuous tense. Hello learners. Welcome back to our series on expressing likes and dislikes. Today, we're going to delve into an exciting aspect of conversational English. Asking about likes and dislikes using the present continuous tense. We're focusing on the phrases, are you liking, and is he, she liking? Let's get started. The present continuous tense is a verb tense that expresses an action happening right now, in the present. This is usually formed with the verb to be, in the correct form, and the present participle of the main verb, the ing form. For example, I am eating a sandwich. Or, she is reading a book. In most cases, this tense is used for actions happening at the moment of speaking. But, when it comes to expressing likes and dislikes, things can get a little tricky. You may be thinking, we don't usually use like in the continuous form. That's correct. We generally use the simple present to express likes or dislikes. For instance, we say, I like chocolate, not, I am liking chocolate. However, we can use like in the continuous form in conversational English, particularly when we want to express a temporary or changing situation, or to ask someone's opinion about an experience as it's happening. For example, imagine you and a friend are trying a new type of food. You might ask, are you liking this? To get their opinion on the new experience. Similarly, if you're at a concert with a friend who's unfamiliar with the band, you might ask, is he liking the music? It's all about context and the timing of the experience. Now, let's practice with some scenarios. 1. You're at an art exhibition with a friend who's seeing these types of paintings for the first time. Ask her about her feelings. Answer, are you liking these paintings? 2. Your brother is using your new video game console. Check if he's enjoying it. Answer, are you liking the new console? 3. You've brought your friend to your favorite band's concert. Ask if he's enjoying the music. Answer, is he liking the music? Remember, this usage is less common, but it can add variety and specificity to your English conversations. So, there you have it, friends. Today we've learned how to use are you liking and is he, she liking to express likes and dislikes in present continuous tense. Remember, it's all about expressing or asking about an opinion on an ongoing situation or experience. Keep practicing, and soon, it will become second nature to you. We hope you found this video helpful. Stay curious, and as always, happy learning. See you in our next video.